distance. And there's another right here on our left.
Oh, okay.
Sir?
Yep. Right, there's one.
There, now you can feel. Oh, this is neat. I like this camera idea.
You're actually, should be in view.
Oh, there's three.
Three of them.
Four.
Four?
Yeah.
Wow, one over there.
I know. How are you today? You see the little flippers? And you see that the sleeping posture there. And the baby.
Whoa.
The baby is much darker because she's harder to detect in the water. They have another one very close, right in front. We've got,
You got that one, Rob?
Got him. Yep. I'm on video mode.
Okay. I'll keep my hands down. Go for the gator for a moment. If that's what you'd like.
Oh, that'd be great. Absolutely.
This really is. Alligators don't usually come towards us. And
He knows he's on camera.
That means he's domesticated.
yeah, he's just.
Damn tourists.
He's just. Hi. Hello. Oh, keep talking. I think the manatees are attracted to your voice. I know the alligator is. No, I'm just kidding. He is not. He's not interested. However, as we go closer, here's the deal.
Yep.
Alligators are proximity animals. If you're the alligator, I can tell you exactly what's going through that alligator's mind right now. It is, I'm invisible.
Oh.
And if I go towards the alligator, towards him, he's going to drop his tail down. He's going to go, well, maybe I'm not invisible. If I continue closer, he's going to go, maybe I'm really not. His body will be down, just his head. Closer yet, he says, I'm afraid, because you are not on the menu. An alligator does not have a tongue, so therefore he does not
Little eyes looking at you.
chew.
Little eyes looking at you.
So
Not
with
very
that
big.
in mind, look, come towards us.
You
Very
don't get any
unusual.
Crocks up this far, do you?
No, no sir. They're more saltwater based.
Yeah.
But
It's a small one.
geez, Al, look at this. I don't believe I've ever had an alligator come in.
He knows he's on camera.
Oh, it's longer
And
than
he's
I
very
thought.
comfortable. See, his tail is up. But for 50 million years, if it's not food, that's a fish or a bird because he swallows it. He can't chew it.
Okay.
Then he's afraid. He never challenges anything that's not food. Hello, Al. How are you? Oh, I gotta pay attention. I forgot. Sorry.
So he's just a floating log. Right.
You have to.
He's invisible, remember?
If I'm not pointing towards what you want to see, remind me, please.
Oh, it should be fine. Yeah, it's got a 120-degree angle on it.
You can clearly see his legs hanging down and his tail. And if we don't move very rapidly, he'll not be too bothered.